Hello, it's Black Ace 36 today. I'm going to be showing you a couple things while spinning POI, but first I'm going to show you how to make a pair of POI. So today I forgot my pod POI at my condo, so here I am at my parents' house with no POI trying to make a video, and I couldn't figure anything out, so I grabbed two pairs of socks, right? That are the same size. That is one important thing, is that they're the same size. And then I grabbed two spheres that weigh pretty much the same and are generally the same size. I did mandarin oranges. And you put it right in the sock. Alright, one per sock. And you can tie a knot on the top, you know, to make sure that they don't fall out. And they actually make for some pretty good knobs. So there's one. Tie the other. And you know, so here you go. A nice little pair of sock POI. And just like any other POI, I can spin them and do stuff with it. So for all you people out there who say you can't spin POI because you can't afford POI, well, if you can afford socks and mandarin oranges, you can afford a pair of POI. So this way, we're gonna go this way, okay? And I found that this is a little bit trickier, but it's a better way to do it because there's some really cool moves that involve this butterfly. So how I got into doing this butterfly specifically was just like I got into this butterfly, I reverse out into the other one. So if you know how to do this butterfly, you can stop it and reverse it back. Just like you can reverse this one back. Right? So like I said, like I'm going into a butterfly, only I'm not, because I'm going up. Right? So coming in, like we're doing the butterfly, the regular butterfly like this, only we go past and come up. And yes, you're going to need to know how to do stuff like this for Zan's Diamond and a bunch of difficult moves. So, learn it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I will be doing another video today. Thank you for watching.